This is wonderful news. It's a great historic accomplishment. China has done more to reduce extreme poverty in a short period of time than any other country in history. China's rate of extreme poverty in 1980 is widely estimated to be more than 90% of the population of around 1 billion people at the time. Now, with China's 1.4 billion people, extreme poverty has been eliminated. It's a tremendous achievement. It's a tremendous advance in well-being. And it's also a very powerful framework and source of hope for other poor countries in the world.